Today, we're going to walk through how to customize your empty block element by adding icons and text to create an informative checklist. Let's get started. First, let's add an icon to our empty block. Here, I'm choosing a checklist icon to symbolize the features we're about to list. You can select any icon that best represents the content you're planning to outline. Step 2. Add your text. As you can see, the block starts to form a clear, easy-to-follow checklist. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and versatility. By combining icons and text, you can communicate complex information in an accessible and visually appealing way. And there you have it. A functional and neat checklist was created right inside an empty block. This method not only enhances the aesthetic of your project, but also improves user engagement.